Are you struggling to keep up with the endless demands of artificial intelligence, digital marketing, content creation, and marketing automation? You're not alone. The good news is that in this video, we're going to review how AI digital marketing has revolutionized how we approach online marketing. These AI tools make it possible for even solo entrepreneurs to compete with large corporations. With the help of these powerful AI tools, you can achieve remarkable results. Let's get into the video right now. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, entrepreneurs and business owners who harness the power of AI digital marketing tools are the ones who will dominate their markets and leave their competition wondering what hit them. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk through exactly how to start, build, and grow your business using the most powerful AI digital marketing tools available today. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale your existing business, these strategies and tools will transform how you approach marketing and accelerate your path to success. Let's start with the foundation of getting started with artificial intelligence digital marketing. The first step is understanding that artificial intelligence isn't here to replace your creativity and strategic thinking, but to amplify it. Think of artificial intelligence as your highly efficient assistant that never sleeps, never takes breaks, and can process information at lightning speed. The most critical starting point is defining your target audience with laser precision. Traditional market research can take weeks or months, but artificial intelligence tools like Typeform's Survey Builder or ChatGPT can help you create detailed customer personas in hours. Start by inputting basic demographic information about your ideal customers, and these tools will generate comprehensive profiles. This will include pain points, buying behaviors, preferred communication channels, and content preferences. Once you have clear customer personas, the next step is choosing your primary digital marketing channels. Artificial intelligence analytics tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Insights can analyze your industry and recommend the most effective platforms for reaching your specific audience. Don't make the mistake of trying to be everywhere at once. Focus on 2 to 3 channels where your ideal customers spend most of their time. Content creation is where AI digital marketing truly shines for beginners. Tools like Jasper, Copy AI, and Write Sonic can generate blog posts, social media captions, email sequences, and ad copy in minutes rather than hours. The key is providing these tools with detailed prompts that include your brand voice, target audience, and specific goals for each piece of content. For visual content, AI image generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Canva's artificial intelligence features can create professional quality graphics. These tools can also create social media posts and video thumbnails without requiring design skills. These tools are game changers for entrepreneurs who previously couldn't afford professional designers or didn't have the time to learn complex design software. Now, let's move into building your business infrastructure with AI digital marketing tools. Customer relationship management is crucial for any growing business, and artificial intelligence-powered CRM systems like HubSpot, Salesforce Einstein, and Pipedrive's AI. These powerful features can automatically organize leads, predict which prospects are most likely to convert, and suggest the best times to follow up with potential customers. Email marketing automation becomes incredibly powerful when enhanced with artificial intelligence. Tools like MailChimp's predictive analytics and ConvertKit's artificial intelligence-powered segmentation can analyze subscriber behavior and automatically send personalized messages at optimal times. Instead of sending the same email to your entire list, AI can create dozens of variations based on subscriber preferences, past purchases, and engagement patterns. Social media management transforms from a time-consuming daily task into an automated system with artificial intelligence. With tools like Buffer's AI Assistant, Hootsuite's AI Insights, and Later's Visual Content Calendar, these platforms can analyze your audience's online behavior patterns, suggest optimal posting times, recommend hashtags, and even generate captions that match your brand voice. Search engine optimization becomes dramatically more efficient with artificial intelligence. With tools like Surfer, MarketMuse, and ClearScope, these platforms analyze top-ranking content in your niche and provide specific recommendations for keywords, content structure, and optimization techniques. Instead of guessing what Google wants, you get data-driven insights that can improve your search rankings in weeks rather than months. Paid advertising is where AI digital marketing can provide immediate returns on investment. Google Ads Smart Campaigns and Facebook's Advantage Plus campaigns use machine learning to automatically optimize your ad targeting, bidding, and creative elements. These artificial intelligence systems can test hundreds of variables simultaneously and adjust your campaigns in real time to maximize conversions while minimizing costs. As you begin to see results and generate revenue, it's time to focus on growing and scaling your business with advanced AI digital marketing strategies. Advanced analytics and attribution modeling become crucial as your marketing becomes more complex. Tools like Triple Whale, Northbeam, and Google's enhanced conversions use AI to track customer journeys across multiple touchpoints and provide accurate attribution data. Customer lifetime value optimization is where mature businesses separate themselves from beginners. Artificial intelligence tools like Klaviyo's predictive analytics and Dynamic Yield's personalization engine can predict which customers are most likely to make repeat purchases. They can also identify customers at risk of churning and automatically trigger retention campaigns before customers leave. Competitive intelligence reaches new levels with AI-powered tools like CMrush's AI Insights, Ahrefs' competitive analysis, and SimilarWeb's market intelligence. These platforms can analyze your competitors' strategies, identify gaps in their approach, and recommend opportunities for you to capture market share. Advanced content optimization involves using AI to analyze the performance of every piece of content you create, then automatically improves future content based on what resonates with your audience. Tools like BuzzSumo's AI Content Insights and CoSchedule's Headline Analyzer use machine learning to predict content performance before you publish. Personalization at scale becomes possible with artificial intelligence recommendation engines and dynamic content tools. Platforms like Optimizely, Adobe Target, and Dynamic Yield can create unique website experiences for each visitor based on their behavior, preferences, and likelihood to convert. This level of personalization was previously only available to large corporations with massive budgets. Voice search optimization is becoming increasingly important as smart speakers and voice assistants become more prevalent. Artificial intelligence tools like Answer the Public and Also Asked can identify the conversational keywords and question-based queries your customers are using, allowing you to optimize your content for voice search results. Chatbots and conversational artificial intelligence have evolved far beyond simple automated responses. Modern AI chatbots like ManyChat, ChatFuel, and MobileMonkey can handle complex customer service inquiries, qualify leads, and even complete sales transactions. These tools can provide 24/7 customer support while gathering valuable data about customer preferences and pain points. Video marketing automation is experiencing tremendous growth with artificial intelligence. With powerful tools like Loom-powered editing, Synthesia video generation, and Pictory's automatic video creation, these tools can create professional video content at scale without requiring expensive equipment or technical skills. Predictive analytics tools like Salesforce Einstein and IBM Watson can forecast future trends, predict customer behavior, and recommend strategic decisions based on historical data and market patterns. This capability allows you to stay ahead of market changes and make proactive decisions rather than reactive ones. The key to long-term success with artificial intelligence digital marketing is maintaining a balance between automation and human creativity. While artificial intelligence can handle repetitive tasks and data analysis, your unique insights, creativity, and understanding of your customers' emotions remain irreplaceable. Start by implementing 1 or 2 AI tools in areas where you spend the most time on repetitive tasks. Master these tools before adding new ones to your arsenal. Focus on measuring results and continuously optimizing your AI-powered systems based on performance data. Remember that AI digital marketing is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Successful implementation requires ongoing monitoring, testing, and refinement. The businesses that will thrive in the AI-powered future are those that embrace these tools while maintaining their focus on providing genuine value to their customers. The opportunity to build and grow a successful business using AI digital marketing tools has never been greater. The tools are more accessible, affordable, and powerful than ever before. The question isn't whether you should incorporate AI into your marketing strategy, but how quickly you can start implementing these game-changing technologies to accelerate your business growth. Start today by choosing one AI tool that addresses your biggest marketing challenge and begin your journey toward building a more efficient, profitable, and scalable business. The future of digital marketing is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Now, check out this video for more affiliate marketing secrets. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with anyone who may benefit from it. Thank you for watching.